my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some concepts of OOPS. In the last video we have seen about the class and object. क्लास एंड ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा. आज हम देखने वाले हैं इनहेरिटेंस. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इनहेरिटेंस इन ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग. सो in inheritance means what we are achieving, we are extracting the properties from our parents class, that is known as an inheritance. So in this today video we are going to see about introduction to inheritance in Java, types of inheritance in Java, single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance and rules of inheritance in Java. So there are many types of inheritance. So in today's videos we are going to see only one type of inheritance. First we will go with the introduction of the inheritance and types of inheritance, and we will go with the single inheritance in this video. Then now what is mean by inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of a parent's object. It is basically helps in reusing the code and establish a relationship between a different class. Now what we can say in the real life, example, what is the mean by inheritance? We are extracting the property from another class. या हम लोग एक बहुत प्यारा सा एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं, रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज नोन एज एन वी आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग द प्रॉपर्टीज. इनहेरिटेंस मीन्स कोई भी जो हमारा सुपर क्लास है, अपर क्लास है, उसमें का हम लोग पेरेंट क्लास बोल सकते हैं उसको. पेरेंट क्लास से हम लोग चाइल्ड क्लास क्या करता है, पूरा जो डेटा है वो रिट्राइव कर सकता है, उसकी जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टीज है पेरेंट क्लास की वो रिट्राइव कर सकता है, प्लस उसके साथ उसके खुद की प्रॉपर्टीज होती है. बट चाइल्ड क्लास की जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज है वो पेरेंट क्लास नहीं इनहेरिट कर सकता. ओनली द पेरेंट क्लास की प्रॉपर्टी चाइल्ड क्लास इनहेरिट कर सकता है. Now what is the goal behind the inheritance? First thing is reusability of code. हम लोग कोड को रीयूज कर सकते हैं, हमेशा हमको कोड लिखना नहीं पड़े. Code reability means what? Every time we are using we don't have to write, we can read. Reading ability is also is reduced because that code is same. So once we declare the functions or once we call that class, it is done with that. Now main concept क्या है, हम लोग जावा में कीवर्ड एक्सटेंड करके कीवर्ड जो है उससे ये कीवर्ड से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी आर फॉर्मिंग ए रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू क्लासेस. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज अ पेरेंट क्लास? पेरेंट क्लास इज आल्सो नोन एज अ सुपर बेस क्लास. एंड व्हाट इज अ चाइल्ड क्लास? चाइल्ड क्लास इज आल्सो नोन एज अ सुपर we can say subclass, or we can say it's a derived class also. Now we will see one real life example. We can see here there are the parents, these are the parents and these are child. Now in general आप देखिए कि हम parents के एक general है, आपके parents है, तो what we are taking a general properties from our parents, we are looking like our parents, we having some similarity in our in a look, in a height. If your parents are heighted, you will get that height. If your parents are having a dark color, you will also get the dark color. If your parents are having a fair color, you will get the fair hair. The way of talking, when you grow up, the sound of your the way you are talking, like your parents are talking, in the same way you are also talking. So these are types, all the types of behavior, we can say, of property that you have derived from your parents, right? But बिटवीन दैट उसके बाद भी चाइल्ड के पास खुद की ओन प्रॉपर्टी रहती है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप खुद हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो, कुछ अलग डिग्री पढ़ रहे हो, जो आपके पापा मम्मी ने जो डिग्री पढ़ी थी या जो भी पढ़ाई की थी वो नहीं है, आप कुछ और कर रहे हो, तो वो क्या हो गया, आपकी खुद की क्वालिटीज होगी। मीन्स व्हाट, चाइल्ड क्लास के पास क्या रहता है, जो चाइल्ड रहता है उसके पास पेरेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टीज भी रहती है, और खुद से उसने जो भी किया है, खुद से जो उसने एजुकेशन रिट्राइव किया है, खुद से एजुकेशन जो उसने खुद की इमेज बनाई, वो भी उसके साथ रहती है। अगेन बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू गेट अ नेम फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स, surname, yeah, and though you are getting that properties, it doesn't mean, again when you are achieving very big degrees and all, you, if you are doctor, then what is happening, you, आपके पास खुद का एक और क्वालिटी ऐड होगी, यू आर अ डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर दिस 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 एंड दिस, डॉक्टर योर नेम एंड योर सरनेम. So this is a base property between the child and parents. Again one more example we can see here. As we know, this is a child, this is a base class. आप ये पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, ये मम्मी है, ये क्या है, पेरेंट क्लास है, या हम उसको बोल सकते हैं बेस क्लास है, और ये चाइल्ड है, और ये चाइल्ड को हम लोग बोल सकते हैं इट इज ए डिराइव क्लास या चाइल्ड क्लास, या वी कैन से सब क्लास ऑल्सो. Now as we know that the child is inheriting the properties of his parents. The similar concept we are using in Java also, the two classes, parent class and child class. The parent class is known as a super or a base class, and child class is known as a subclass or derived class. So here again one more example. Now we will go with some technical example. There we having a one class that is a employee. एम्प्लॉय इज अ पेरेंट क्लास, एंड एम्प्लॉयर प्रोग्रामर भी हो सकता है, कुछ और हो सकता है, तो सबके बोनस अगर अलग अलग डिवाइड करने के हैं हमको, तो हियर इज अ वन प्रोग्रामर एंड इज हैविंग हिज प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज नोन एज हिज ओन डेटा टाइप, हिज ओन डेटा दैट इज नोन एज बोनस. दिस प्रोग्रामर कैन रिट्राइव दिस सैलरी ऑल्सो, सैलरी का डेटा टाइप भी वो यहाँ पे ले सकता है, डेटा ले सकता है, सैलरी वाला डेटा भी ले सकता है, और उसके पास उसका खुद का बोनस वाला डेटा भी रहता है. तो यहाँ पे दिस इज एम्प्लॉय इज ए पेरेंट क्लास एंड दिस प्रोग्राम इज ए चाइल्ड क्लास. जो whenever the class which is inheriting the properties of a parent class or another class, that class is known as a child class, and which is inherited by the another class, that class is known as a parent class. Okay, now let's see the types of inheritance. There are totally 5 types of inheritance are there, that is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. So there is a main these three types of inheritance work under the Java. Multiple inheritance is not supported with the Java, but there is, to solve this problem of multiple inheritance, they have used some another concept that is known as interface. So we will see that is on in a later lectures, and after we will complete the inheritor pass. After that I will tell you about how we can perform the multiple inheritance in Java. And this is a hybrid inheritance is nothing but it is a combination of two types of inheritance. It can be a multi-level inheritance, multi-level plus hierarchical inheritance, or it can be a combination of multiple or single inheritance. There is a combination of any two classes, any two types of inheritance. That inheritance is called as an hybrid inheritance. Now आज हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? Today we are going to see the single inheritance, that is class A and class B. Here B class is a derived class and A class is an super class. Now here the best example is there is a single, this is a parent class and this is a child class. Now here in the above program we can see here this is the animal class, main is a parent class animal. Which activity it is doing? It is doing eating, and Another class is the dog. The dog is belong to the animal. It is a child class of a animal class. The common properties of animals that it can take, that is a dog is having again its own quality, that is it's having a bark. It's having a one function, that is a barking. So what is he will bark also. So this child class, the dog class can use the both the property, that is it can eat and also it can bark. So you can see when I have created in a main class that is a taste inheritance, the dog object. As soon as I created a dog object, with this help of this object I can retrieve the barking quality and also eating qualities of the parent class. I can take the eat function and I can call with that object. Now let's see one example related to the Java code. As we have seen two example of one is related to the employees and another one is to that is an animal. So first we will see the employee one. Here the parent class, it is an employee, and this another class is a programmer which has extended by the employee. Okay, and again we having again one more in this programmer's class is also known as an main class because it's having a static void main. So let's see, so with the though it is a child class, so we can able to retrieve, yes, we are able to retrieve the salary, that is the salary is belongs to what? Salary is belongs to, it's a data member of a employee, that is a parent class. It belongs to a parent class, so I can write here. It is a parent class. And this is a child class. Okay, now let's see the implementation of it. Yes, we will see another example, that is the test class animal, string color white, class dog, extend to animal. So animal is a parent class of a dog. This is our parent class and this is our child class. Now you can see here the animal string, that its color is white and it has been extended to the animal that its color is black, and it also have taken a print of a color and also taken the print of a super dot color, means both having a color. I can little bit I will do changes in this program. So we having a string, I can, instead of writing this, I can write here the function that is known as an eat function. Now what we are going to write here, eat system. That is I am eating. So due to this example you will be having a clear idea. I am eating. And there is again another class, that is a dog which has been exchanged by the animal. And here we have given again one more, that is the animal, and the color, dog color is black. Okay, let it be, it is. And again what we have given here, again we have given one more property to this, that is, and again one more functions I can say here. Yes, dog is having a barking also, so I can write here barking. Sorry, यहाँ पे void होना चाहिए. Now here I will write here void, white bark. Means it's having its own two functions, more additional function you can see here. I am barking, and the semicolon. Here also I will have to give the semicolon. These are the program that will it will explain you about. See here. Now what the functions we have called here, that is yes, you can see here we are having animal class. It's having a function of, that is its own method, that is eating. Okay, all animals are eating. So again one more class we have defined, that is a child class of an animal, and it's having its own data type, that is a color, and also it's having own member functions, that is print color, and also bark. It also having a bark. Now in the super, I have begun again one, I have created one class, that is a super class, which is having a main function, and we have created the object of a dog, because the dog is a child class. Now due to this, though that it is a child class, so it is inheriting it is printing, it is using its own data member, that is known as a function member, but with the help of a dog object, it can also retrieve the data of parent class, that is known as an eat. It can use a eat also, and it can it's having again its own property, that is known as a print color we have done. Again one more is a barking, BARK, bark. ये सारी देखो मतलब डॉग के पास खुद का तो है ही, और उसने अपने पेरेंट्स का भी जो ईटिंग हैबिट है वो भी ले लिया है. एंड नाउ व्हाट द पेरेंट, इसके हेल्प से अभी हम लोग ने हमारे डॉग ऑब्जेक्ट, चाइल्ड क्लास का एक ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट किया. अब ये ऑब्जेक्ट से मैं पेरेंट, जैसे मैं चाइल्ड क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करती हूँ तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो मेमोरी ऑक्यूपाई कर लेता है चाइल्ड क्लास का भी और पेरेंट क्लास का भी, क्योंकि चाइल्ड क्लास ने क्या किया है, चाइल्ड क्लास हैज यूज्ड द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ऑल, इट हैज इनहेरिटेंस ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ parent class. So now we can see the output of the above program, that is the test super. So now we can write a here test, that is a Java. See, first we will going to compile it, and we will write here test super dot Java. Yes, dear friends, please don't forget to like my channel. Also, if you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it. And if having any queries related to this topic, you can put in a box. So I will try to solve it, and I will contact you and I will solve it. Now we have to run this test super. Now you can see here we are getting a one white and one black. Why? Wait, I have not saved the file. First we have to save it. Now we will see the output of it. First I will compile and then yes, you can see the function as we have called the black is its own function. Dog का एक खुद का function था. I am eating is a function. It is a retrieve which has been inheritance by the parent of parent class animal class, and I am barking is having its own qualities. Got it? Now here we have done with the single inheritance. In the next lecture, yes, we have done with the single inheritance. Now in the next lecture we are going to see about the multi-level inheritance. On the next video will be belongs to the multi-level inheritance. So please don't forget to like it and subscribe it. Bye bye. Thank you, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.